Okay, so if you're very familiar with trading Forex, for example, right, then this is going to be very easy for you to understand, right? But if you're not familiar with trading Forex, you can still learn it because it is very simple, very, very simple. It is very straightforward. So once you're done creating an account and you funded your wallet, it's so easy to fund your wallet. Just click on this guy here, click on the plus sign, and then you can deposit and withdraw from there. It's as simple as that. Now, once you're done funding your wallets, you can browse through the categories, like different categories, But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be focusing mainly on crypto and Forex. Now, how do you get started? So if you go to the Forex section, if you go to the currency section, right, you're going to see FX, commodities, and whatnot. So let's just play around the all markets. Now, let's start with the most basic thing, which is the market question. The market question here is saying, will GBP USD be higher than this price? That is 1.3343 by 10 p.m., which is an hour window, basically. And it's just basically very simple. It's really, really simple. It simply means that, like, if you believe the price of GBP USD will be higher than this, you trade yes. And if you believe it's not going to be higher, you trade no. So I believe that, so let's assume I believe it's going to be higher. I will just buy yes, right? If I put 500 naira, I'm going to get 661 return, basically, because it is likely to happen. That's why my return is really small, right? My return is just going to be 32%. And if I feel like it's not going to happen and I click on no, if I put 500, I'm going to get like 1005, right? My return is going to be about 200%, right? That's like 3x my money, right? And pretty much that's how it works. So it's just a simple yes or no. Will this currency pair have a price higher than this in 1 hour? Yes or no? It's as simple as that. Very simple. And whatever you believe is going to happen, just pick yes or just pick no. This is the first step in understanding how it works. Another thing I'd like to mention is you need to look at the rules. Very important. So if you click on show full details, you're going to see the details of the verification source. So this is the chart they use to resolve the market, basically. This is the chart they use. It is not TradingView they are using. It is this particular chart they're using. So you need to pay attention to that. So yeah, I think with this video, it should be able to get you started. I'm going to create other videos and tutorials that explains how to actually understand some things, right? Things like the price target. Okay, price target is easy. It simply means it's the baseline, right? Will Bitcoin be higher than this price, 1.334, and this is the current price. So as the price is changing, this changes as well, and that's simple. And then this is a round, past round. So this around 8 p.m., which is 9 p.m. Nigerian time, the market outcome was no. Around 7 p.m., the market outcome was yes, and so on and so forth. And it's that easy. So yeah, you would see related markets, you see the activities of those people that have bought in this market as well. It's just overall very interesting, and this is another way or better way to actually trade Forex. So yeah, if you have any question, let the admin know. Thank you.